Hi, fourth graders. Mrs. Hinterliter here, bringing you your chapter 12, lesson 11, last lesson of the chapter mini video. Now, I do apologize for the last video that I posted because I realized after the fact that light blue marker I was using was a little hard to see. So I do apologize. This time I used black and a dark red. So hopefully we'll be able to see this one a little bit more clear. Up here, I have some conversions for you to keep in mind as we are finding the patterns between these numbers in our charts. So for example, under length, I have 1 foot equals 12 inches, 1 yard equals 3 feet, and 1 yard equals 36 inches. Under weight, I have 1 pound equals 16 ounces, and 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Under volume, 1 cup equals 8 ounces, 1 pint equals 2 cups, 1 quart equals 2 pints, and 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Last but not least, I have quite a few for time. 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 day is 24 hours, 1 week is 7 days, 1 year is 12 months, and 1 year is also 52 weeks. Okay? Now, we're going to use these up here to find the relationships within the charts and the numbers that I have. So let's take a look at chart number 1. I have in my first column 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And in my second column, 12, 24, 36, 48. So in order to find the pattern, I want to look at the first 2 boxes I have. So here I have 1 and 12. So I know the relationship, in order to fill in the blanks up here, I'm looking for a relationship that's 1 to 12. So I have 1 foot equals 12 inches. So I could have feet and inches. That is a very plausible chart to fill in. 1 foot is 12 inches, 2 feet is 24 inches, 3 feet is 36 inches, 4 feet is 48. Is there anything else that might work to fill in this chart for us? No, that looks to be the best one that fits this combination of numbers. Now let's take a look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 16, 32, and 48. Now remember, my trick is if we look at our very first numbers in the chart, it will tell us 1 and 16. So we're looking for a relationship of 1 and 16. So let's take a look at all of our different conversions up top and see if we can find out what this column should be labeled and what this column should be labeled. Hopefully you found the right labels of pounds and ounces. If I have 1 pound, I have 16 ounces. 2 pounds, I have 32 ounces, and 3 pounds is 48 ounces. Now, I have a couple more for us to figure out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 6, 9, 12. So I'm looking for a relationship of 1 and 3. Take a minute and look up there. If you need to pause the video, find the relationship that I could be referring to. Hopefully you found yards and feet. There are 3 feet in 1 yard, 6 feet in 2 yards, 9 feet in 3 yards, and 12 feet in 4 yards. Now this one is probably the easiest one on the page. The relationship is 1 and 2,000. So using your chart, if you need to above, find for me the relationship of 1 and 2,000, 2 and 4,000, 3 and 6,000, and 4 and 8,000. Hopefully you were able to come up with ton and pounds, because we know each ton is worth 2,000 pounds. Okay, just 2 more. 1 and 7, 2 and 14, 3 and 21, 4 and 28, 5 and 35. What do you think it could be? Hopefully you put weeks and days. There are 7 days in 1 week, 14 days in 2 weeks, 21 days in 3 weeks, 28 days in 4 weeks, and 35 days in 5 weeks. Now let's take a look at the last one we have here. Our relationship is 1 and 2. So using our key up top, let's find the relationship of 1 and 2. Not here. Not here. Oh, let's take a look at pints and cups. For every pint I have, it's worth 2 cups. So 1 pint is worth 2 cups, 2 pints, 4 cups, 3 pints, 6 cups, 4 pints, 8 cups. Great job, 4th graders. Now that you've helped me complete all of my charts, why don't you take a minute and try to create your own? Have fun.